All right, so in Chapter 8 and 3, we're looking at another proportion problem. So if I have 430 green peas and 169 yellow peas, that gives me a total of let's try that again. 169 gives me 599 peas. So I'm testing to see if the yellow peas, right, are roughly 25%. Are they close enough to 25% to say that, yeah, this probably came, it's about 25%. I don't have enough information to say anything different. So that's what we're doing. So the probability that it equals 25%, so the first one's always equals. And then this one doesn't say less than or greater than or more or less. So it would be a not equal to type problem. Next thing it's going to ask for are our test statistics, our p-values. We're going to make conclusions. So when I do this, all I'm going to do is go into StatCrunch. I'm dealing with proportions in section 3. We're getting there. So I have a proportion stats. I have one sample of that 599. I have a summary of the sample because I'm dealing with 169 were yellow out of 599. So it's believed that it was 25%, and we're testing that it's not equal to 25%. And that's all we do. We get a test statistic of 1.82 and this p-value. So let's see if I can find the question. I think that was 1.82. 1.82 and 0.0693 we'll need in a second. And 0.0693. Oh, 4 decimal places on there. And so now we have to make a conclusion. So if my p-value is lower than my alpha, this 0.01, right? If the p is low, the hoe gotta go. So here's my null hypothesis. If my p-value is less than my alpha, then I would reject the null hypothesis. Since it is not lower than this 0.01, I fail to reject. So fail to reject the null because the p-value is greater than the significance level of alpha. So once you get in the habit of these should get a little bit easier, but they do take some practice.